Bahkan sebanyak 1 dari 3 remaja berusia 10 hingga 17 tahun di Indonesia memiliki masalah kesehatan mental.
Mental health in Gen Z adults. What is the mental health? Mental health is the condition of a person's mental well-being which is related to his emotional, psychological, and physiological condition. Someone who is mentally healthy will be able to cope with life stress, release their own potential. Jakarta, 3 November 2024. Mental health is becoming an increasingly important issue for Generation Z, which in Indonesia include individuals aged around 10 to 25 years. Various surveys show that level of anxiety, depression, and stress among Gen Z are increasing, driven by various factors including social pressures, academic, and the influence of social media. The survey results found that anxiety disorders were the most common mental disorders expression by teenagers, rising 26.7%. Next problem relates to anxiety, depression, and or hyperactive reasons, 10.6%, depression 5.3%, behavioral problem 2.4%, and post-traumatic stress 1.5%. Someone adolescents also reported suicidal behavior tendencies in the past 1 month among the intersampled 1%. Characteristics of Generation Z mental health disorders. Generation Z, a generation that grew up in the digital era and is closely connected to the world through their gadgets. It is not impossible that the pressures and demands that come from online life and social media can affect their mental health. The following are several characteristics of mental health disorders that often appear in Generation Z. 1. Change in diet. Eating disorders such as anorexia, bulimia, or unhealthy eating habits often occur in Generation Z. 2. Sleep disorders. Addiction to social media and gadgets can disrupt Generation Z sleep patterns. As a result, they become less sleep and rest. This lack of sleep or rest can definitely affect their mental health. 3. Mood swing. Mental health disorders can cause a person to experience extreme and unstable mood swing. This can result in impulsive, aggressive behavior or withdrawal from social environment. 4. Decreased brain function. Excess stress, lack of sleep, and technology addiction can lead to decreased brain function. Generation Z may have difficulty concentrating and making decisions. 5. Reducing social interaction. Even though Generation Z has grown up in digitally connection era, they are also vulnerable to expression social isolation. This can make them feel lonely and depressed. Cause of Generation Z mental health crisis. There is no definite cause that can explain why Generation Z is experiencing a mental crisis. However, there are several factors that are thought to contribution to this condition, including 1. Technology process. Technology that contributes to develop has created additional pressure on the mentality of Generation Z. They often feel the need to keep up to date with developments on social media or what is now familiarly known as FOMO. 2. Lack of knowledge regarding mental health. A lack of understanding about mental health, both among Generation Z individuals and in the general public, can lead to delays in diagnosis and treatment. 3. Economic unconstrained Generation Z face high economy uncertainty. This ultimate creates additional stress regarding work, education, and of course finances. How to overcome Generation Z's mental crisis? 1. Recognize symptoms and seek help. The most important first step is to recognize the symptoms of a mental health disorder and seek professional help as soon as possible. Then his states or be embarrassing to talk to people you trust, such as family, friends, teachers, and counselors. 2. Maintain life balance. The second step is to maintain a balanced life by doing things that are positive and beneficial for the body and mind. For example, exercising regularly, eating healthful, getting enough sleep, meditating, hobbies, or taking a vacation. 3. Building relationships. The third step is to building strong and sportive relationships. Look for people who can make you feel comfortable, appreciate, and understand. Avoid toxic or negative people. Apart from that, also limit the use of social media and gadgets if the duration makes your stress or anxious. 4. Initiative and support. Various non-governmental and community organizations have attempted to create. Thank you.